I recently got this XGIMI Horizon Pro 4K projector, and it has completely transformed my movie nights into a true cinematic experience. I purchased it from Amazon. Use the link in the description to get yours at the best price and check for available discount coupons. The first thing that blew me away was the picture quality. The 4K resolution is simply breathtaking. Every detail comes alive with incredible sharpness, and the colors are so vibrant and lifelike that it feels like you're stepping right into the scene. Whether it's an action-packed blockbuster or a serene nature documentary, the visuals are bright and crisp, even in rooms with ambient light, thanks to the 1500 ISO lumens. Setting it up is effortless, thanks to features like auto Keystone correction and screen adaptation, which means you get a perfectly aligned screen no matter where you place it. And the audio? The Harman Kardon speakers deliver such rich, immersive sound that I didn't even feel the need for external speakers. Right from the moment I turned it on, I was impressed by the sharpness, clarity, and vibrancy of the projected images. The picture quality is truly commendable, resulting in a highly immersive viewing experience. Whether I'm watching movies, TV shows, or even playing games, the visuals are stunningly realistic, with vibrant colors and incredible detail. This XGIMI projector features a high resolution and excellent contrast ratio, effectively reproducing true-to-life colors and deep blacks. The images appear sharp and well-defined, creating a visually engaging experience. The projector's brightness is also impressive, delivering clear visuals even in moderately lit rooms. I have found the picture quality to be consistent, regardless of the content or time of day. If you're looking to create an unforgettable home theater experience, I can't recommend this projector enough. Grab yours from the Amazon link in the description and take your home entertainment to the next level.
Turned itself on.
Where the energy levels now?
Climbing. When somebody couldn't shut it down, we ordered evac.
How long to get everyone out?
It should be clear in the next half hour.
You bet.
Sir, evacuation date.
You should tell them to go back to sleep.
If you can control the tesseract energy, there's not the minimum safe distance.
I need you to make sure the phase 2 prototypes are shipped out.
Sir, is that really a priority right now?
Until such time as the world ends, you will active load intention to spin on. Clear out the tech below. Every piece of phase 2 in the truck is gone.